Good afternoon, and welcome to Team Coffee Mafia's official guide to coffee brewing. Today, we'd like to walk you through the basic process behind our award-winning formula for a superior cup of coffee. First, we'll go over the specific characteristics of our brew. Then, we'll delve deeper into the process itself. We decided to use two types of beans to give our coffee more complex flavor. Our first roast was a Rwandan blend that was roasted for 20 minutes. And our second was a Burundi blend that was roasted for 22. We found that blending these two beans together with a mass percentage of 40% Rwandan and 60% Burundi yielded coffee with a strong body and noticeable brightness. The total energy associated with roasting enough beans to produce 1 liter of coffee was 0.25 kilowatt hours. For brewing, we used an AeroPress with a metal filter. Since brewing with an AeroPress reduces the amount of wasted water per brew, we chose a coffee-to-water mass ratio of 1 to 12, leading us to 120 grams of water per brew. In order to make 1 liter of coffee, we had to bring 1,300 grams of water to 94 degrees Celsius. This translates to 0.12 kilowatt hours of energy usage. In total, brewing an entire liter of coffee requires 0.37 kilowatt hours of energy. Now, onto our process.
We grabbed 100 grams of Rwandan green coffee beans and 100 grams of Burundi green coffee beans and roasted them using a Nesco roaster. The Nesco uses more energy than an alternative roaster. However, it produces beans with a much more developed flavor profile that we found exemplary for our coffee. After roasting our coffee, we processed it to develop the highest quality. We dechaffed our roasted beans to ensure no undesired particulates entered our brew, and then degassed our coffee for a full week. This guaranteed that we had a full release of the necessary VOCs that enhance our flavor and aroma profiles. After the week was up, it was time to produce our product. We used a simple blade grinder for 8 seconds to bring our coffee to a medium grind. The ground coffee was added to our AeroPress, followed by the appropriate mass of water. After sitting for 35 seconds, the coffee slurry was mixed to break up the layer of grounds on the surface. Then we compressed the AeroPress with a low pressure. This allowed for a consistent mass transfer rate from the grounds to our water. We chose to use a metal filter with the AeroPress to permit oils in the grounds to transfer into our delightful elixir.
Our final product is a coffee that tastes and smells great, with a noticeable brightness guaranteed to put a skip in your step. We hope you enjoyed our video and our coffee. Have a great day and happy brewing!